You pick. Didn't think it was going to be that loud. Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant. And girl, today we finally got the summer collection. What I ordered, just wax and warmers and some other stuff. But girl, here we go. We got new white nails. I am digging white, feeling summer, already feeling the hot. Absolutely love it. So let's get into what I bought. I actually bought this stuff on the 1st at midnight. Came 13 days later. I don't know what the heck is going on with Scentsy, but I was a little impatient this time. And girl, we got scent notes today. If I can get that open, because girl, we got scent notes, we got stuff. So I don't know what took so long, is because I do have a back order, and the back order item is a scent circle. So I wouldn't wait 13 days for one scent circle, so I don't know what Scentsy's doing. But girl, we got some light bulbs in this little haul, because you can never be out of light bulbs. Like, you can't run out of light bulbs. And we got a lot of scent circles. I love scent circles. I personally buy these not for myself. I buy them for my customers, for my Happy Mail, for all that good stuff. And girl, we got a lot of scent circles because your girl here has a lot of mail to send out. And my favorite one out of all of them is, and if I could find it, Make a Splash. That's my favorite. But I couldn't buy everything in Make a Splash, so we just got a whole variety of them. And I'm glad, because I love giving Happy Mail to my customers. Absolutely love it. Next up, I got car bars. I like car bars now that it's getting warmer. I like to put car bars in my car when it's getting warmer. My car is leather, and I don't like leathery smells, I guess you could say. It's not that my car always smells like leather, but I do like it. I feel like it scents better in leather than it does in like a cotton vehicle. I don't know if that sounds weird. I don't know, but that's just me. We got Iridescent Pearl. I wish I could smell that in wax, but I love it. We got Aloha Citrus. We got Blue Grotto. Make a Splash. That's going in my car first. Sea Salt and Avocado. And Squeeze the Day. I love this. So I got a 6-pack of bars. I need to buy more car bars to send out for Happy Mail as well. That's what I need to do. Girl, we got wax, and that's what I need my notes for, because I don't remember what all the scent notes are for this collection. Cover your ears. We got ice packs. We love ice packs because it's getting hot. Girl, it's hot here in California. We were already issued a heat wave for this weekend. Yep, is what it is. So I did get the 4 bars for the summer collection, and I got 2 extras. And these are the 2 that I'm digging. So hands down, right now, number 1, Daydream, Oasis, and Make a Splash. These are on the same vibe for me. I love them. I swear they smell very similar, except this is more water, like aquatic. This is aquatic, but more like water lily. And I think they're like cousins, or not best friends. They are best cousins. They are first cousins who get along really great and almost smell the same. They just got 2 different mommies or daddies, whatever. That's basically, these are my favorite right now. I'm digging them. I love them. So let's get into the summer collection. Okay, first up is Kakui and Coconut, and there's really no order, girl. Okay, I'm warming this today. I'm warming my bar that I got from the Whiff Box. I am loving this. Right now I have Kakui and Coconut going all in my living space, and I have Dumbo going in my kitchen dining room area. It smells amazing. I'm loving this. Right now it's a very solid medium, a high medium. It's about a 7 in there, and it smells absolutely beautiful. I think I like this better than Coastal Sunset, and I love Coastal Sunset. So the notes on Kakui and Coconut are tropical coconut, Kakui nut, lounge in a bed of soft jasmine. Now maybe that's what it is. It's the jasmine mixing in with the coconut, but this is amazing. and I put the whole bar, and I'm loving this like indigo purple blue. I'm really, really digging it. I'm loving this right now in my living room. This is day 1 of it, so we'll see how it lasts on day 2 in the open concept. So I'm super, super excited for this. Loving it a little bit more than Coastal Sunset. So far, great, great performer. Up next is Peachy Palm Trees, and it's sweet peach mango. Add a tangy twist to smooth coconut milk. Now, we got this scent in the whiff box this month for the hand soap. This is in the hand soap. I'm using the hand soap here in my bathroom. Love it. This smells like sweet, sweet peach. Oh, it's like peachy peach, like a syrupy peach, and it smells amazing with that mango. Oh, but I love mango. I love mango and everything. I love to eat mango. I love mango smells. I'm loving mango. So I can't wait to warm this one. I'm thinking, so Kakui. All right, so Kakui in my culture, in the Mexican culture, is I guess they do it as the translation as the boogeyman. And me and I want to say her name was like Cassie. She'll correct me. We were talking about she was like her husband's from Venezuela or something. I don't know. And he was like, why do they name it Kakui? The way we spell it is like C-U-C-U-Y, Kakui. And it's the boogeyman. I think it's the boogeyman. For us, it's like a boogie monster. I don't know. It's hard. I don't translate very well. I'm not a good translator when it comes to Spanish to English because it's so different. But Kakui is the thing that's under your bed that's going to scare you. But like, if we would talk about like Freddy Krueger, we would say Freddy Krueger is like the Kakui. We would say like a werewolf is like a Kakui. Like, I don't know. But I think this is club worthy. If this performs great, this would be club worthy too. This smells amazing. Juicy, juicy, juicy peach. Like syrupy, like juicy peach. Maybe not so syrupy. Maybe it's the mango that's coming through. I don't know, but this is pretty like summer pink. Like this, I would love to wear in like a top. Like this is beautiful. Love this. Already loving it. The one I am looking, I'll do it because I'm looking forward to that the most. I'll wait for that to last. We are going to go with next up, Feeling Punchy. I'm not a punchy kind of girl because I'm like Hawaiian Punch belongs in a glass. Like Hawaiian Punch does not really belong in my house, like smelling wise, but let's give this a shot. This is Bright Tangerine, Pink Lemon with a splash of fruit punch. And we got this, oh my God, I'm gonna keep on talking about the whiff box, the whiff box, the whiff box. I love the whiff box. If you guys have not gotten May's whiff box, you guys need to get the whiff box. It's amazing. But let's smell fruit, Feeling Punchy. We got this in the counter clean from the whiff box. So I haven't opened that yet. Yeah, this is like different version of fruit punch, just more orange. This is nice. This is not as strong as last year. We had like that mandarin, oh my God, something mandarin nectar. And that one was like too sweet from the last year's summer collection. This doesn't smell as like deep sweet fruit punch, but it is fruit punch. This might go nice in the kitchen. So I'm looking forward to that. But it's orangey and I like more orangey. But I like rainbow sherbet, so I don't know. The last one, the one I'm most excited about, and we got this in the whiff box in the Scentsy Fresh. By the whiff box, you guys, I can't stop talking about the stupid whiff box, but here we go. It is cucumber and cactus water. Crisp cucumber wades into refreshing cactus water and sea salt. And you guys know I love the greens. I love sea salt and avocado. I love the prickly pear and agave. I love the Christmas cactus. I like that green kind of smell. I'm into it. So I'm interested in this. And this is a nice green wax. This is really pretty. Yes. I like white cactus and tea as well. Oh, this is so green and fresh. Green, fresh. I love this. This will go good in a bedroom, in a bathroom. Might be open concept worthy. Oh, really, really, really nice. So far, I think these four are really good. I like these better than 2021 summer collection. I think I only like the the blue agave one from last year. I'm digging all four. I think these are really nice. I think these are worth picking up. I think you should pick them up. Really, really great. And I did get the 2 warmers, and I'm gonna start off with the mini because the mini I am so excited for. It's pink, it's cactus, and if you guys like, well, everybody's into the succulents and stuff like that. And I think if you have like the succulent warmers from the catalog, or even it was April's warmer of the month, the one that I personally didn't like, but I think this would go great. I think both of these warmers would go, put this down here. I think they would go great with that kind of spiel, if you get, I guess you guys can say. So it's ceramic, absolutely beautiful. I'm digging this pink. You got your cactuses with the little blooms, absolutely beautiful. You even got like aloe vera, and then it's gonna shine through the back. These are the holes, and it's a nice little deep dish. I do like that the ceramic minis are a little bit wider at the top versus like the glass down here. I feel like they're a little bit more narrow. But girl, I'm gonna show you on my tabletop base, because I don't have the prongs. My extension cord doesn't have prongs for the mechanism. But if you order this mini warmer, you always get your mechanism and your light bulb, like always. But I'm excited. I do like the way the minis look on. Oh girl, why am I showing you the back? What am I doing? Let's put this on right. I do like the tabletop bases. I'm into it. This is not going to go on a tabletop base though when I put it out in my kitchen. It's going to be plugged into the wall. But it's really opaque. It doesn't really shine through. This is what's going to shine through, is back here. Let me see if I'll turn off my lights, and because I don't see it shining through like at all, but it might. So let me turn off my lights. Hold on real quick. Okay, you guys. So you got like some light shining through, but it's really just the back. So this whole thing it's pretty opaque, but it's super, super beautiful with your cactuses. I absolutely love it. I think they're like 25 bucks. Oh girl, I should tell you how much they are, right? Oh girl, I'm already locked out of my tablet. Mess. We are a mess. Yes, 25. 25 for the mini. So I think that's like the new standard. All right, absolutely beautiful. Love the mini. I can't wait to put that. So both of these warmers do have a home. I know exactly where they're going. This one's gonna go in my kitchen, and the big one, this is what I was excited for. This one is called the Desert Darling Green Warmer, and it's $50, and I believe they're both still available on my website. I don't think they sold out. And I love it when I unbox these and there's no styrofoam. And I love it when I unbox these and they just come as they come. I'm not a great, like, let's put everything together without breaking something. Does that make sense? Because I break everything. So I'm very, not clumsy. It's not that I'm not careful. It's just shit happens. That's basically how I look at life. Just happens. So we get a 25 watt. Oh girl, don't throw that away. Oh my god. So I don't know if you guys, how you guys repackage your like Scentsy warmers. I keep all the packaging and I put them back in their box when they're done, and I store them somewhere, because if something should happen, like I live in California, girl, we get earthquakes, okay? And if these things should fall like off the shelf where I have all my unused like Scentsy warmers, if they should fall, then they could take a little tumble and possibly not break, girl, unless the big one comes. I don't fucking know, okay? But I like to repackage everything the way it came. That's just how I take care of my warmers. That's just what I do. That's me. So I always advise everybody, girl, get in there. I advise, oh my god, I advise everybody to save your packaging, even these little things, and just package them up the way they came. Because girl, you know, oh my god, I got an itch. Jesus. Okay, sorry. Oh my god, my ankle itched. So Scentsy sends them through whatever delivery service. And girl, you know your boxes be getting pretty jumbled up and you still get a nice, perfectly good looking warmer. So just package them. I would package them that way. I'm so excited. So this is a 25-watt ceramic warmer. And it takes 4 cubes. Beautiful, beautiful, like minty green. I'm loving it. I mean, maybe you can call it a desert green. I don't know, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So it does kind of have the same little cactuses, just in a bigger print on there. Oh, look at that. And it has the light shining through. I don't know how opaque this is, so we'll see it as well. Girl, let's turn her on. There we go. It's the same. It's very opaque. It doesn't look like the warmer itself is glowing, and you have your lighting in the back. And this one, you don't have like a notch for the cord because the cord comes straight out the... Girl, oh my God, don't drop this. But this is absolutely beautiful. Let me turn off my lights and see if there is any glowing going on. So it is fully opaque. I don't see any glowing coming out from the warmer. It's just from the holes in the back and a little bit from where your dish is. But it's absolutely beautiful. So this is where I have my full-size cactus warmer in my bathroom. And this is what it looks like with the lights off. Not that much glow, but still beautiful. All right, you guys. So those are the 2 warmers. Absolutely beautiful. And as always, you guys, comment down below. Let me know what you picked up on the summer collection. And let me know, what are you guys thinking about the 4 scents? Are we having favorites? Are they club worthy? I've only warmed 1. Let me know what you're warming. Let me know down below, and I love talking to you guys. And as always, you guys, do all the clicking, subscribing, sharing. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this video. Thumbs up. Love it. And if you guys still want to stick around, there's always a video here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.